Welcome back to Horizon Site Pro. Today we're going to talk about settings. Go to the Options tab at the top, click on Settings. It's very straightforward. There's only two things to edit in here: change order signature text and trade agreement signature text. So first we'll talk about change order. Now, change orders themselves are covered in a separate video. What this deals with is just the text that gets sent out with a change order. And so it's very simple. Just asking, are you sure you want to approve this change order? You can add this text to whatever you want it to say. Trade agreements are similar. Now with a trade agreement, you can have an agreement with your trades, so to have something formal, a contract that they will sign. This is not the contract. This is again just the text that accompanies the email that gets sent out to them when you send them the trade agreement. And again, you can edit this to whatever you want it to be. Thanks again, Horizon Site Pro.